Hi, I'm Kumar. In this unit, I would like to discuss how to install and uninstall a native app programmatically on your real iOS devices. Well, before getting into the details, if you look at the device, I don't have an app called UI Catalog. So there is no UI Catalog app installed on my device. So I would like to install that app programmatically and then I would like to delete that app. Like if you want to delete an app or remove an app from the device, so what I will do, I will just press the app and then you can see a cross icon or a cross mark on top of the app icon. So when you click on the cross mark, it will ask you whether you want to delete that respective app or not. So this is how you can do it manually, but programmatically also you can remove the app with the help of the APM methods. Alright, so let us look into the code, how you can do the installation. So here is my basic script where there is a desired capabilities object defined and the APM driver is created and the driver.quit is also written. Well, so in order to install the native app onto your devices or the simulators, basically you don't need the .dat app version, or you don't need to provide the .zip file, or you don't need to provide the .app file of your native app. With these two options, we cannot install an app onto the device or the simulator. So there is a third option, which is a .ipa file. That means if you wanted to install an app onto the device or a simulator, you need to generate a .ipa file of that respective app, and this is possible from the Xcode. So let us see how we can get a .ipa version from the Xcode of the UI Catalog app. So for this, I already opened the Xcode project of the UI Catalog app, and this is how it looks like. And go to the Windows and you can select an option called Organizer. The moment you select the organizer, you see there is an option called Export. So click on the Export, and there are 4 options for now in this version of Xcode. So select an option where you save it for the development deployment. So you don't want to upload this app to the App Store, right? So that's the reason we are selecting the 4th option. Click on Next, and by default it will select the respective account which is associated. That means the Apple developer account. So you should already have an Apple developer profile to do this activity. Then choose the respective account, and it will ask you like do you want to export this app only specific to either a simulator or a specific device, or do you want to make this app compatible to all types of versions of devices. So better you export this app compatible to all the devices, because we don't know, right? So today we can use this app for real device and tomorrow we can use this for iOS simulators. So let us select that first option, click on Next, and then start preparing the archive, and click on the Next. Alright, so here is the .ipa version of the app, and this one you need to copy and paste it in the project working folder where you're working. So it is something like sample native app. So let me paste it here. Alright, so now you need to provide the path to this .ipa in your app capability. So let us copy this one and paste it here. It is like UI catalog.ipa. Well, so with this we are done with generating a .ipa file, and we are done in setting up the desired capability, and the capability name is app. Now the next thing is you need to mention the device details, because you are working on the real device, so all this information should be accurate. And then we are creating a APM driver object and we are starting the driver. So let's do one thing. So let us maintain a sleep of 10 seconds here, and let us first execute the script and let's see how we can install this app onto the device. So for that, I would like to start the APM server. The APM server is up and running, and then let me show you the device. So on the device there is no UI Catalog app is installed. So now you should see the app is installed on the device. So let us execute this code. So watch out the logs and the device. So it says like the app is not installed on the device, so that is the reason it says go ahead and installing. So now you can see the UI catalog app is installed and it is open successfully. So this is how you can install an app with the help of the .ipa version of the app. Now let us understand like whether the app is successfully installed or not. So we wanted to check with a boolean value. So there is a method in the APM. So let us look into that method. I would like to stop the APM server and go back to your script, and here after installing the app I would like to wait for 5 seconds, and then I would like to check the app is installed or not, right? So check whether the app is properly installed or not. So the method is like puts @apm driver dot app installed. So you are verifying whether a respective app is installed on the device or not. So what is the basis, like on what basis you wanted to check an app? So what is the key parameter here? So the key parameter is the bundle ID. Every app will be having a bundle ID. Whenever you consider with the iOS perspective, every app will be having the bundle ID, and from the Android perspective, every app will be having the app package and app activity. So you need to get the app bundle ID. So this information you can get it from the Xcode. The moment when you open the Xcode project, you can see there is a bundle identifier. Now copy that one and paste it here. So now this method will check whether there is an app whose bundle ID is so and so is existing on the device or not. If it is existing, then it will return a true. If it is not, then it will return a false. And once this is checked, I would like to remove the app. So how to remove the app or how to uninstall the app? So the command is like this: apm driver dot remove app. Remove app of the respective bundle ID of the app. So just copy and paste the same thing. All right, and once it is removed, I would like to maintain a sleep of 5, and then I would like to quit the driver. Okay, so basically this command will start installing the app and launching the app, and this will tell you whether the app is successfully installed or not, and this will uninstall or remove the app from the device, and then you are quitting the browser. So all these things we can see on the device itself. Just look at the device screen and you will see all the actions performing one after the another. And in order to able to follow, I just keep on maintaining a sleep of 5 in between, a static sleep statement. Okay, so let us open the APM server. Let us start the APM server. Okay, and if you look at the device, so the UI catalog is already installed, so I would like to delete the tab manually because my script will again install it. So it is not there. Now let us execute the code. So watch the logs and watch the device. So first it will install the app and then it will launch the app. Now you see the app is installed. Now it is launched the app, and then we are waiting for a couple of seconds here, and then we are checking whether the app is successfully installed on the device or not. So we should get a true statement here. So here you can see the response true in the console, and then we are waiting for some time, and now we remove the app. So you should see on the screen like there is no UI catalog app, and then the driver got quit. Alright, so the execution is completed and I should see the process finished message. So this is how you can install and uninstall an app programmatically using the APM methods. So that's all for this unit. Happy scripting. Thank you.